Hey, so it's Deb Lytle here, and I want to tell you today about this new program called the Covert Affiliate System. They claim that you can get results in 7 days, and they actually have some people that have been doing some things in less than a week. They have 100% free training coming up tomorrow, starting tomorrow morning. You can sign up and watch the free training. Basically, it's for new people or people that are already in
What
the
I've shown you in this
system.
training area is a very real system which I use personally. It's a system that I also...
So they go about explaining what they're using for their system. They have the full training for free, which you can use to try and do the program they're doing. They use Google Docs with this program. So once you do get in the members area, this is pretty inexpensive. It's $17 for the basic program. And they have their welcome video, then they go into how the system works and they explain the system here. They have a PDF with a breakdown and a checklist for you. Then they have the step-by-step parts of the system, the elements, your lead product, the promotional docs that you use, the squeeze pages, your thank you pages and your pitch pages, the initial process, the automated process, and how to get your traffic. Then they go into the income results, figuring out, how much you can make, what your goals are in earning, and they can show you what you need to do every day to get there. Then they actually show you what the system looks like in action, and then the summary of the covert system. So here's the results of a case study, $711 in 7 days, and then you can upgrade the covert system to go to some of the upsells, which we'll go over in a minute. So with this system, if you go and buy this through my link below this video, I have some bonuses for you. These are my bonuses. You'll actually click on this page here, right here, click to grab Covert with my bonus link on the bonus page, and then some of the bonuses that I'm giving are the following, and here is a little explanation of the system too. So let's go through that first. They've been developing it for a year, and it's giving away Google documentation or PDFs that also have pitching and selling on them. So it has a lead product and then a combination of other links that people will use in this document, which will sell products for you, other people's products as an affiliate. So here are the different steps. You can get the basic covert for $17, and then they have for $47 they will give you 5K campaigns. The second upsell is $97. It's done for you. I think there's 10, maybe 10 in there. Let's take a look at the descriptions down below. And then the Covert Traffic Max and Covert Ultimate Agency. So the front end is the Covert software and training modules. The upsell number 2 is the 10 ready-made and profitable copy and paste campaigns. They have a case study. They have products with approval codes, done for you initial campaign, and then the case study that shows how they earned $175 in 2 days and full video instruction. Then they're all tested and used by the inventors of the program already, and the initial campaign is formatted, so there's 10 ready-made campaigns for phase 2. Upsell 2 is professionally written Google Docs, the formatted switch pages, the pitch pages with or without video, pitch pages with or without voice, and then step-by-step training. Okay. Plus you get some, there's some fast action taker bonuses of $5,200, which is the project. Each ready-made project is fully formatted and tested. Then their upsell number 3 is $37. They give you their traffic sources, full instructions with links, and some other programs here that will help you to implement this whole system. Then the Covert 4 Ultimate Agency is the Reseller Edition, which allows you to receive a 90% commission and resell the system yourself to your own customers. Ready-made Google Docs. All you do is put your affiliate link in, and it's a pretty good deal for the reseller option because they include everything you need already made and formatted. You just have to put your name and your affiliate link in. So you might want to take a look at this program. If you did all of the upsells together, you're still only looking at maybe what, $250. So if you want to do affiliate program and start out and learn what it's all about, this could be a really good investment for $250 to start out for your first program. So there's not a lot of actual work. There's unique software and training. It's pretty newbie friendly. It is proven to be profitable, and it works right now. They have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if they're saying people can earn in 7 days, you should be able to tell within 30 whether it's going to work for you or not. Then these are the bonuses. The 200 a day on autopilot. The headline hacks, email marketing tips for higher conversions, access timeless traffic, and then of course all the vendors bonuses. So you can click on any of these boxes here to get the program on my link, or you can go below this video, as I said, and click my link below this video. So I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope it's helped you to try and make a decision by looking at the program, and you can see that the members area is pretty inclusive, and I'll look forward to seeing you get the program and see you on the inside. Okay, thanks for listening.